How's it going, everyone? My name is Angelo, and for those of you who are visiting my channel for the first time, this is all about spray painting, and today I have another Marvel superhero for you guys. Be right back. Oh, you, come here. This dog hears a gnat's fart from 50 miles away. Clementine, get down from my bed. Get. Oh, you. Hey, calm down. Sorry about that. Today, I'm going to be making Scarlet Witch. There was actually something I forgot to mention in my Gambit spray painting video, and that was that I finally got my tent set up. Take a look. Yeah, this is my tent. And, just take a look inside. There is a table for all this, but don't worry about it. So yeah, and I got my workstation, my camera set up, my respirator, and yeah, that's pretty much what my tent is. It's my new workstation. I'm really happy about it. So yeah. There you have it. I finally got my tent set up. Anyways, back to the video. I had a customer who put a request on the request form for me to do Scarlet Witch for this person. And that's what I'm going to be doing in this video, as I said in the beginning. Like all the rest of my superhero paintings, this painting is just going to be a silhouette painting. I really like how this painting turned out, and I really hope you guys do too. And if you like it, make sure you hit the like button. And also, if you are visiting my channel for the first time and you like this content, or if you visited my channel multiple times and you like this content, consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if there's anything that you guys want me to make for you, make sure you leave in the comments down below what you want me to make for you, and I'll make sure to put your request on the request form. Also, share with your friends and family. That would help me out a lot, you guys. Also, one more thing, you guys, make sure you click the notification bell so that you guys can get notified for all the upcoming videos that I'll be making in the future. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Let's get to painting.
Let's get painting, guys.
Alright, that about does it for this painting, you guys. Again, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. And if you're visiting my channel for the first time, or if you've already visited my channel and you like this content, consider hitting the subscribe button. Also, if you guys have requests for me to make for you guys, make sure you put your requests in the comment section below, and I'll make sure to put your requests in the request form. Also, share with your friends and family. That will help me out a lot, you guys. Also, make sure you guys click that notification bell to get notified for every video that I'll be making in the future. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.